Welcome back. This is week 2 of the summary videos for the practice of public relations by Fraser Seidel. This week was chapters 4 and 5, and chapter 4 looks into the public opinion of public relations and kind of what they do and kind of how they react and what they look for. One thing that was noted in the book was how public relations can really affect the earnings of corporations and companies that it's done for. But they look to anticipate trends in society, and this is what the book was really stressing for this chapter, was that they're looking to the future, and it's kind of like looking for what's ahead instead of looking right now or behind and what happened or what is happening. They look for what will happen, which I thought was interesting, and it's not something that I would expect. They do pay attention, obviously, to the present. They're not naive to it. They're not blind to it, but they like to focus on the future and seeing what is going to happen ahead of what is currently happening. Chapter 5 looked into the management side, and they did state that public relations objectives, goals, and strategies, they must come from the goals and the beliefs of the organization. And if you're not doing that as public relations, then you're kind of missing the point a little bit, and you're kind of missing the boat. And with the rise of social media and the popularity that this has seen, it's become more significant and taken on a bigger role for management, because public relations is now more important than ever, with how much stuff is out there on social media, is how much stuff comes out about the brand, is out there about the brand, will come out there about the brand. And again, that's looking forward, but it's playing a huge role right now, and it will continue for a while. And the book said that the expected growth is 9% through 2026, and I don't doubt that, because of stuff like this where it's just becoming very important. So somewhere that I've seen this, or an example of public relations, is with Subway. In 2022, they launched a new menu, called it the Subway Series. And since then, they have been kind of marketing this and advertising their new menu, TV ads, print ads, online ads. They're all over the place because they redid their menu. They came out with a bunch of new subs. They have a bunch of new commercials with athletes. And it's really kind of taken off because their public opinion for a while was that their company was kind of on a downward trend, kind of on the negative, kind of behind everything, behind Jimmy John's, behind Jersey Mike's, behind all these sub shops. And what they did was they redid their menu, and they redid an advertising campaign, and they kind of swayed the public opinion because their company was kind of falling into a lull. So they make all these new subs, and now, I don't know if they're back in the game yet, but maybe they will, and maybe this is the start of something. So it really started around last summer, fall, and has continued into this year. But it's just going to be interesting to see what happens with that. So this is what I found, chapters 4 and 5, and thank you for watching.